Good morning, girls. Welcome to the class of BC, that is Business Communication. This is the session number 25, and considering this last session for the unit number 4, now the exercise part which is remaining for the practice that today I am going to give you. The exercise related to the letter writing, under which you are supposed to write letters related to complaint, adjustment, sales, collection, and last but not the least of report writing. So we have done all our units 1, 2, 3, 4. If we check the syllabus, then this is what we have done. 6 topics related to the unit 1. Under the second unit, 3 topics that we have done. Third unit, which is about job interview, under which we have done our 3 topics, and related to unit 4. It covers these 4 major topics of letter writing as well as report writing we can consider. So we have done all these topics, all the units fully. Now this would be the last session as far as syllabus is concerned, and at the most on tomorrow I'll be giving you an important questions list related to your exam that you are going to refer for business communication. Fine, let's start our exercise part. Now first I am going to give you about the exercise related to the complaint letter. Messrs. Chandra and Company complain to All Wool. All Wool, it's a name of a company. All Wool manufacturers that the woolen shawls received from the later are of inferior quality and have therefore been returned. At the supplier's cost. They also ask for immediate replacement within 3 days. And state that they may have to cancel the order if this is not done. If this is not done, draft the letter. Now girls, if we check the information, then it is giving you a complete idea that this is a kind of a complaint letter. Complaint is regarding the defective inferior quality shawls. Inferior quality, that is halka prakarni. They are making the complaint letter to all full manufacturers. The writer is Messrs Chandra and Company. So both the addresses are given. The subject line is goods are of inferior quality. Then all the conditions are shown here. Accordingly, you have to write your letter of complaint, in which you will mention in the very first paragraph about the material goods that you have received and you are found after that of inferior quality. You have realized after checking the fabric of the shawl. Then you may ask about you should be writing about the immediate replacement. In the second paragraph, you will explain your subject within 3 days as per the public's demand, and state that અને સાથે કહેવાનું, otherwise you will be cancelling the order. Right? If this is not done, જો આવું નહીં કરવામાં આવે તો order cancel કરશે. So draft that kind of letter of complaint. Now I think this subject is completely cleared by me. So now you can write this letter in your own way. Let us see the second one. You have just bought a refrigerator from Zencare. Zencare Electronics Rajkot. Which is not working. Satisfactorily. Write a letter of complaint describing the nature of defect and instructing to send a mechanic soon. So being a customer, if you have purchased rather a kind of refrigerator, this is the name of a supplier of Rajkot, and then after some days the fridge was not working satisfactorily. So what you are doing is you are writing a letter of complaint to the distributor from the one you have purchased, and you are narrating, you are describing the nature of a defect, that what is happening, right? If it is not giving proper the temperature which is given, if it consumes more electricity, if certain kind of sound is increased, right? So maybe nature of defect એટલે કયા પ્રકારની ખામી છે તમે એ જણાવશો, as well as you will instruct to the dealer like you need to repair it as early as possible. For that you need to have a requirement of mechanic, so that will be sent by them immediately. So this is what the kind of complaint is. Here one address is given. Being a customer, you should write your own address as if you are the writer. તમે પોતે writer છો, તમે પોતે complaint કરો છો. You are making the complaint to Zencare Electronics about the subject line, the refrigerator which is not working satisfactorily, right? Then you will say about so and so date on which you have purchased this. After some days the difficulty arises or the problem started after some days, then you can say about the nature of the defect, and then you can end your letter with the kind of a hope that they will mend this thing very soon, they will repair this very soon with the help of mechanic. Let's have now the practice about the adjustment letters. So this is about the adjustment letters. So letter number 3 is a part of adjustment letter. You have received a complaint from a value customer from You have received a complaint letter from a value customer from Pune pointing out the steel furniture he had ordered for special occasions. special occasion has arrived. In a damaged condition. Though the fault is of transport company, you decide to replace the damaged furniture immediately. Draft a suitable reply to the customer. Now girls, if we check this letter, then this is regarding the reply to the complaint, that is an adjustment letter. Now this is the side from a customer. A complaint is made. What was the complaint? Like, customer has received a kind of steel furniture for a special occasion that one has ordered in a damaged condition, though the fault was not of the dealer but it was of a transport company, and it was demanded, like customer has demanded the replacement of damaged goods, and about that reply is required to write to the customer કે કસ્ટમરને તમારે રિપ્લાય કરતો લેટર કે જે એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ લેટર લખવાનું છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ અબાઉટ ધ સબ્જેક્ટ ઓન વિચ reply or adjustment letter is demanded. Next is, this would be the last letter for today. Draft a tactful letter with a request to make suitable adjustment for this shortage of tea supplied. Again, in this letter, when ordered tea was received, and that was received not as per the order, in fact, order about the tea was placed, and then the delay in order happened, why this delay was happened in the adjustment letter. One has to make clarification કે પૂરતો સ્ટોક ન હોવાને લીધે ઓર્ડર પ્લેસ કરવામાં નહોતો આવ્યો કે કસ્ટમરની કમ્પ્લેન્ટ કદાચ આવી હોય એ સંદર્ભમાં તમે એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ લેટર અહીંયા લખશો કે એમાં શોર્ટેજ તમારી પાસે ઓલરેડી શોર્ટેજ ઓફ ગુડ શોર્ટેજ ઓફ ટી રીઝનથી તમે એ ટી ઓન ડિમાન્ડ પહોંચાડી નથી શક્યા બરાબર. તો ડેફિનેટલી યુ આર ડિમાન્ડિંગ ફોર ધ એક્સટેન્શન ઓફ ટાઈમ કે હવે પછીના 5 દિવસ આપો, એમાં તમને તમારો ઓર્ડર પહોંચાડી દેવામાં આવશે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ હાઉ યુ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ અ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ટેક્ટફુલ દેટ ઇઝ properly handled letter and in form of a request that is made for the suitable adjustment, and the clear cut reason clarification is given about the shortage of tea. Now girls, the remaining letters related to the sales collection and about the report writing I'll be forwarding in form of photograph in our WhatsApp group. So till that, practice these 4 letters by yourselves, and then after I'll be taking on tomorrow the last lecture that is about the important questions that I'll be formatting in the session. You'll be writing along with me on tomorrow. Till that, do make reading of units. Unit number 4, the material related to this unit I'll be forwarding to you on this application that usually I'm posting, so that you can refer it properly. Thank you girls, and have a good day.